As you see on the screen, when doing the provincial incorporation from British Columbia, you will pay $366.14, and I'll show you exact scenario and step-by-step process on how it is done. You will see a simple and intuitive way to complete the incorporation process in less than 20 minutes. And this is number incorporation. I want to be completely transparent with you. This video is not sponsored by Ownr, and they did not pay me to make this video. However, I do have a referral link in the description, and I have also pinned this in the comment section. When you click the referral link, you will land on this page where you can see this message, and it says get 15% of your incorporation automatically at the time of checkout. This discount will apply if you complete the sign up within 30 days of clicking the link. When you go directly to Ownr website without the referral link, this message does not appear because it takes you to a different page which you can see here. So if you plan to use Ownr anyway, using the referral link ensures that the discount is automatically applied during checkout. If you came through the referral link, the discount will automatically appear here. You can see the promo discount reflected in the final price along with the message that says if you receive the code from an affiliate, the person referred, you may receive a reward, and that's me. If for some reason the promo code is not applied, which is where you can reach out to me and I will try to get this resolved with Ownr, as I have done this with few other people who experience this issue. Now, let me take you through the process step by step. Once you click on the link and you come to this page, click here and here select the province as British Columbia. Next, then select the incorporation and instead of named, select numbered and then click next. Here you will create your account and you can see here join over the number of Canadian businesses on Ownr. Then you enter your name, your email, password, confirm password and sign up. Come to this page and here on top you can see hash. That's where the number will get replaced when the incorporation is done, and the incorporation will have a number followed by British Columbia Limited. So we'll start filling in the details. Contact detail starts with phone number, address, and selecting I am a Canadian resident. You can go and hover on question mark to know more about this and then click next. Company detail. My company will be Provincial Canadian Corporation based in British Columbia, and then British Columbia address follows by my company will operate in. Here I have selected technology, internet and services. Once you click on the drop down, you have the options of other industry. Choose the closest one to your industry. Once that selection is made, the company's fiscal year end date, I've kept it as December. Click next. Here for the name confirmation, numbered is already showing up and it will generate an automatic number. As I said, it will have a number followed by, in this case, British Columbia Limited. So you have this example given here. Clicking next. Director and officers, here it shows as myself and the other option is with others. I'm keeping it at myself, and because I have selected myself, director, officer, everything will get auto-populated as my name and including the shares and share classes. Let me click here. You can see this is how it shows up. Voting 100%. Now, once I click next, automatically others will get updated and directly we come to choose your subscription plan. Here there are two options, basic and pro. You can check how much it costs, and once we come down, I'm selecting the basic plan. Then go with the identification proof with one of the government IDs, and here you see the complete breakdown in the billing information. This will cost in total with the plan that I have chosen $366.14, and the promo discount has been applied, and here also it shows discount applied. So this is how the total will look like, and if you have received this code from an affiliate, they will also receive a reward, and that's me. Once this is done, by clicking next, you agree to open an RBC bank account within 60 days of payment. If you do not open the account, the discount will not apply and your credit card will be charged the remaining $300. So once you have an incorporation, you cannot be using your personal bank account to do the transaction. You would need a business account, and when I opened my account with RBC, other than opening of business account, they also gave credit card with some threshold, and that was quite helpful when I was starting my business. So the payment also gets done. Let me click next with the credit card, and if the account is not open, then the credit card will be charged remaining $300. This $300 will go back. So once the payment is done, the next step is to review the document, and once you have reviewed and submitted, Ownr will take on from there. They will get the process done for you and inform you when the incorporation is done. This is the entire process. Also, check out my website canadatriedandtested.com. The link will be there in the description, where in this organized link section, you have everything at one place. If you want to know how to get the business number, how to apply for license and permit, payroll nil report, some of the important documentation what is required with the business, all of that I have organized at one place, and you can check that out.